Hello guys, welcome to Game Pulse, and today we will be playing Universe Sandbox and we'll be colliding the two largest planets in our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. But first, let's look at the details of them. First, let's look at Jupiter. So, as you can see, Jupiter is the largest planet of them all. It would be so big that even if all of our planets combined together and hit Jupiter, the planets will still fit inside Jupiter. And as you can see, its rotational period is 0.414, which means it's about 10 hours. And it has over 96 moons. And its orbitable period is 11.9 years. That's almost 12 years. And its average temperature, it's negative 164. Now, let's look at Saturn. And Jupiter also have a lot of wings as well. A thin wing that we can't see. Now, welcome to Saturn, where we can all see their famous wings. The game did not add the wings, but it do have wings. And its radius is 9.14 Earths. That's about 9 times the size of Earth. Its rotational period is 0.444 days. That's also 10 hours. Its orbitable period is 29.7 years. That's almost 30 years just to complete one orbit around the Sun. And its average temperature is negative 194. That's even colder than Jupiter because it's really far away from the Sun than it is to Jupiter. Now, let's collide the two. Oh, sorry. Now let's slow down time a bit. Let's add in Jupiter. Now let's add wings into it. Now let me go to wings. Now let's add wings to Jupiter. As you can see, Jupiter has thin wings. You can't see them, but they do have wings. Now, let's collide Saturn with it. Now let's slow down time a bit more. Now let's put in Saturn. Now let's put wings into Saturn as well. So let me see. Yes, there it is, Saturn wings. Add wing to Saturn. Of course we need wings to Saturn. And now let's go home, or F11, where we focus on the largest planet. Now let's speed up time a bit. Let's just focus on Jupiter and Saturn as well. Let me speed up time a bit more. And we need to slow it down at the right moment. Now let's slow down. Yeah, this distance should be enough. Watch slowly as Jupiter and Saturn collide. Originally, they have moons, but we cannot add them because I thought, it would be too long. The rings would go out of chaos because of the two planets approaching each other, and the moons would either collide with the planet or get thrown out. Yeah. Now these two collided. Now let's enjoy the moment as these two collide with each other. And Saturn went into Jupiter because Jupiter is really larger than anything else in our solar system. And as you can see, its temperature is increasing like a lot. Its mass is becoming, first is 1.04 Jupiters, and it went down actually, and then going up a little bit. And Jupiter's radius slightly increased, like 1.01. Now the rings would get thrown out of chaos, but later will reform back. Submarine particles will get thrown away like Saturn's ring particles, but the rest, they will just orbit Jupiter, this newly formed planet. Now its mass is about 1.15 Jupiters. Yeah, the rings are orbiting Jupiter in a weird way. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. So we see you in the next video.